Unit 5.1 How We See Things. Arun is looking at the palm tree. Name the source of light. The source of light is the sun. Complete the sentence to show how Arun sees the tree. What happens is the light travels from the sun to the palm tree. The light reflects off the palm tree into Arun's eyes. This is how Arun sees the palm tree. Mrs. Lyong is sewing. She needs to see the needle she's trying to thread. Name the light source Mrs. Lyong is using. A lamp. Name the objects Mrs. Lyong is trying to see. It's the thread and the needle. Sometimes Mrs. Lyong sits outside in her garden in the morning and sews. Describe how she sees her sewing. Light travels from the sun to her sewing. The light reflects off her sewing into Mrs. Lyong's eyes. This is how she sees her sewing. Zara is looking for a box of books. She thinks that the box is in the cupboard. It is very dark in the cupboard. What is the object that Zara is trying to see? A box of books. Why can't Zara see the object in the cupboard? Because it is too dark. What must Zara do to be able to see the object in the cupboard? She must shine a flashlight into the cupboard. Now explain how Zara will see the object when she follows your advice. The light from the flashlight will travel to the box of books, and then that light will reflect off the box of books into Zara's eyes. This is how she'll see the box.